Hello everyone, we are Gert and Niluka. Welcome to our channel. In March 2022, we embarked on a new adventure by purchasing a semi-off-grid farm in central Portugal. We are now in the process of transforming this land into a beautiful homestead where we can live a more sustainable and healthier life. Join us on our journey as we leave behind our old ways and learn how to live off the land. We are excited to have you along for the ride. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's video. Good morning everyone. It's been a while since you've seen me in the videos. My voice is a bit gone because I have a cold, and it's still a struggle with working 35 hours a week and the quinta, everything, the animals. So I haven't been making much videos. Luckily Gert did. So we still had some videos to show you. Last month we did the grape harvest and the winemaking with the former owner of our quinta. And now it's time to collect some oranges. They're not sweet yet, but a lot of them are falling off the tree. So they're fine for the pigs, not too much, because even they think they are still too sour. But it's a waste to leave them on the floor. So I will see, maybe I can do something with it, I don't know. Maybe I can make a limoncello with oranges. What else? What are we going to do? We're going to start with, we're going to continue with the renovation. We haven't done anything in the summer. So we're going to start making the new bathroom and then changing the current bathroom into our bedroom. So I think that will be a big project for this winter. There are also still apples left, not in the tree, not on this tree anyway. There are there's one tree all the way in the back which has still a lot of apples. So these are also for the pigs to change with a little bit of sweet from the apples and the sourness of the oranges. And those are, these are oranges I think, or these are tangerines as well as those.